Hi everyone, this is Sue. It's time to tell you another heart-touching story. The story is about my mother. She is my first love and the universe to me. When I was just a little child, barely able to understand the world around me, my mother was there, holding my hand, guiding me through life's twists and turns. She was like a beacon of light, always there to lead the way when darkness threatened to engulf me. I remember the warmth of her embrace, the gentle sound of her voice as she sang lullabies to me, soothing away all my fears and worries. In her arms, I felt safe, loved, and cherished. As I grew older, my admiration for her only deepened. I watched in awe as she juggled 100 different tasks effortlessly, managing to be both a loving mother and a successful career woman. She was my role model, my inspiration, showing me that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. But it wasn't just her achievements that made me love her so deeply. It was the little things, the way she would smile when I walked into a room, the twinkle in her eyes when she listened to my stories, the warmth of her hugs that made everything okay. Through the ups and downs of life, my mother was always there, cheering me on, celebrating my successes, comforting me in my failures. She was my rock, my anchor, grounding me when the storms of life threatened to blow me away. And as I look back on those cherished memories, I realize that my first love will always be my mother. For she gave me the greatest gift of all, her unconditional love. And for that, I will be forever grateful.